The bilateral cooperation under the Presidential Implementation Committee on Technology Transfer and Information Exchange between Nigeria and Czech Republic dates back to 2014, with the projection that Nigeria can leverage on innovative technology to address the growing needs of its people. The journey to having the agreement signed for its implementation 9 years later was secured through the visionary leadership of the Executive Vice Chairman of Naseni, Khalil Alilu, whose vision for the new Naseni is already making waves.
Of the $21.7 million set aside to finance the selected project, TACR is contributing $11.7 million, while Naseni is contributing $10 million. Calls for submission of applications went out, and a very robust screening process took place between 2002 and 2003. With the emergence of 11 successful projects that will be funded in the first phase of the program.
The committee received 285 proposals from institutions and registered companies cutting across the geopolitical zones of the country, which was narrowed down to 11, with their job descriptions already cut out for them in key areas of agriculture, mining, and SME development.
Funds are ready, and we're eagerly looking forward to starting the implementation by January. The funding of the project is scheduled to last between 12 to 36 months.
Naseni also secured another novel feat for Nigeria as it signed the production license agreement with an Indonesian company, PT Saputra Global Harvest, for the establishment of coal fertilizer factory in Nigeria as a timely intervention and a game changer in food security.
As part of our steps to strengthen the bilateral relationships between Nigeria and Indonesia, while also supporting the development of Nigeria's agricultural sector. Today, therefore, marks the next step in a journey that we are committed to seeing all the way to full implementation. In this new Naseni that we are building, we will sign agreements and we will implement them.
This venture is not only about the establishment of fertilizer plant, but a symbol of shared prosperity, technological exchange, and mutual respect.
Speakers at the ceremony were unanimous in their submissions that Nigeria is already making impressive strides in technological advancement.
Technology transfer and such innovation, those are the things that will move Nigeria forward. Those are the things that will move us from consumption to production.
I want to assure you of the House Committee on Naseni readiness to support and provide legislative framework towards achieving these goals of these agencies.
The management of Naseni has assured Nigerians that for every investment it has made in those projects, the country and the people will be the beneficiary of its multiple gains. Roluke Ogundele, AIT News, Abuja.